What's up guys, it's AlecMac111 and today I have some gameplay footage for you guys. I know it's been a little while, but I finally got some gameplay footage up. I actually went and played this past weekend over Memorial Day weekend at Assault Airsoft up in Canton. This is the outdoor field. They have an outdoor and indoor field. I went with Sure Shot Midget and some of my other friends, Brandon and Devin, and just a few random guys, and we went and played. It was an open play, so it's not super serious. You can tell I'm running high caps here, nothing milsim or anything. I'm actually going to be doing a loadout for this event for those of you that are maybe newer players that also kind of are getting into some newer gear and want some good ideas. Basically, with this game mode, it's called Oregon Trail, and everyone is going to be on this trail. Most of the people are on this trail. However, I am called what is a seeker. So no one else can go within 10 feet or further than 10 feet of the road. They have to stay within 10 feet of the road. However, because I'm the seeker, I can go wherever I want, and I'm going to use that for my advantage. I'm actually flanking here on the left side, and this is a little bit more of a stealthy approach that I try to take. I know I'm kind of bringing a lot of milsim play into the open play aspect, and you'll see right here as I murk like 14 other guys, they really have no idea where I'm coming from. Now that I've successfully flanked around the entire left side of their defenses, I want to make sure that I survey the surroundings and make sure I can pick out as many guys as possible so that I can kill as many as possible within the first wave so that I can reposition myself and attack later. At this point, I decided that it's best to kind of retreat a little bit. The guy that I was shooting at, I don't think I hit because of the thick brush, and he had no idea where I was at, so it wasn't bad that I kind of retreated. There was no way he was going to see me anyway, and I figured it'd be better if I could kind of get another angle and see if more people were coming in from the backside of their spawn for reinforcements as well. Because I was able to clear out a lot of the guys in the path, my team ended up moving more than halfway up the field. So we ended up winning this game, but I ended up getting taken out here in the last few minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be uploading one more video kind of as a montage for Assault Airsoft. This has been AlecMac111, and I will see you guys later.